Hello guys, Namaskar. Welcome all of you in my YouTube channel संधू सर इंग्लिश क्लासेस। और इस वीडियो में ये वीडियो सेंटेंस से ही रिलेटेड है, लेकिन सेंटेंस को कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के अंतर्गत एक दूसरे में एक्सचेंज करते हैं, इस मैटर से रिलेटेड मेरा वीडियो है। आज का वीडियो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेंटेंसेज है, जिसमें तरह तरह के सेंटेंसेज को एक दूसरे में कैसे हम लोग एक्सचेंज करते हैं जो जानेंगे। तो बिना देर किए हुए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला टर्म जो है असर्टिव टू इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस। यस, असर्टिव टू इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस। असर्टिव सेंटेंस को इंट्रोगेटिव में कैसे हम लोग चेंज करते हैं। असर्टिव को इंट्रोगेटिव में कैसे चेंज करते हैं। हालांकि असर्टिव से इंट्रोगेटिव बनाते समय कई पहलुओं पर ध्यान देना पड़ता है कि दिया गया सेंटेंस जो असर्टिव का सेंटेंस है, कभी हेल्पिंग वर्ब रखते हैं, कभी हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं रखते हैं। दो स्थिति बनती है। और भी स्थिति बनती है, कभी कभी WH वर्ड से भी हम लोग को इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाना पड़ता है। तो देखते हैं। तो असर्टिव टू इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, ओके। ड्यूरिंग रूल्स हियर, सपोज दिस वन इज रूल्स हियर, रूल्स ड्यूरिंग चेंजिंग, assertive sentence during changing assertive sentence into interrogative, different facts are cared. First here, in case of assertive sentence has helping verb. What happens? Example, he can speak English. This one is assertive sentence. Interrogative, how one can change into interrogative. So in such situations, first helping verb is put in the initial part of a sentence. So can must be used first, after then subject. Can he speak English? And in the end, in place of full stop, sign of interrogation use. So how easily we can change assertive sentence into interrogative in case of presence of can or presence of helping verb. They were helping us, full stop, interrogative. Were they helping us, sign of interrogation. Second situation here, in case of absence of helping verb, what happens? Okay, example, he writes a letter. Interrogative here, does he write a letter? Does he write a letter? Sign of interrogation. You come here daily. Okay, interrogative here. Do you come here daily? Sign of interrogation. He wrote many letters to me. Okay, interrogative. Did he write? Did he write many letters to me? So you might have understood how in case of absence of helping verb we have to care over tense and number and person of a subject. We have to care over tense as well as number and person of a subject. In past tense, did as helping verb. In simple present tense, do or does as helping verb. We are looking here. In case of third person singular number, does use. However, for others, do use. In case of subject of third person singular number, mainly simple present tense. Okay. In case of third person singular number, does used as helping verb, while the rest for do use. So, you might have understood how one can change assertive in case of presence of helping verb or not presence of helping verb into interrogative sentence. Okay. Other case here. Okay. Other situation here. Okay. For everyone. Rules here. In case of everyone. In assertive sentence. In case of everyone in assertive sentence, what happens? Example. Everyone knows Mahatma Gandhi. Everyone knows Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Interrogative. Okay, everyone knows Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Who knows Mahatma Gandhi? Who knows? Okay. Who knows Mahatma Gandhi? Everyone knows Mahatma Gandhi. Interrogative here means for everyone who as WH word used. Who knows Mahatma Gandhi? So such situations occurs during changing assertive sentence into interrogative sentence. Next case here, affirmative to negative sentence. कभी कभी अफर्मेटिव से हम लोग निगेटिव में बनाना पड़ता है, कभी कभी अफर्मेटिव से निगेटिव बनाना पड़ता है। तो इसमें भी हम लोग प्रेजेंस ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड एब्सेंस ऑफ हेल्पिंग वर्ब पर केयर किया जाता है। तो देखते हैं in case of presence of helping verb, okay, in case of presence of helping verb, what happens? Example, he can speak different languages. He can speak different languages. Negative here, he can't speak different languages. He can't speak different languages. Means in case of presence of helping verb not used, just after get speaker. He is writing a letter regularly. Okay. Negative here, he is not writing a letter regularly. Okay. Just after helping verb not used. In case of other situation, in case of absence of helping verb, what happens? He helps us. Okay, negative here. He does not help us. You come here. Daily. Negative here. He. You. Do not come here daily. He wrote a letter. Okay. He did not. Negative here. He did not write a letter. Means you might have understood. In case of sentence belongs to past indefinite tense, did not plus V1 used. However, in simple present tense, do not, does not plus V1 used for making assertive sentence into negative sentence. Okay. Other one more here. Exclamatory to EXCLAMATURY. Exclamatory to assertive sentence. What happens? Okay. Suppose example here. What a handsome boy he is. Sign of exclamation. This one is exclamatory sentence. However, I have already clarified in last video. Okay. How surprising matter is expressed. A surprising feeling is expressed through exclamatory sentence. Okay. So what a handsome boy he. Okay. Will be changed into assertive like. Okay. Subject and verb is written in last in such case. Okay. So he is a very handsome boy. He is a very handsome boy. Okay. Enough. Sometimes single words like enough. Okay. assertive, it is enough, full stop. Okay, how fine it is, assertive it is very fine. Okay, so in such situation, when we change exclamatory sentence into assertive, first we find subject and verb is written in the end of a sentence. However, sometimes it is also looks, ऐसा भी देखा जाता है कि सेंटेंस पता ही नहीं चलता है. जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल दिया एनफ, सब्जेक्ट पता नहीं चल रहा है, लेकिन वैसे सेंटेंस को जब असर्टिव में बनाएंगे तो इट का इस्तेमाल हम लोग करते हैं. तो अब आप समझ गए होंगे कि कैसे डिफरेंट सेंटेंसेज को, हालांकि और भी बहुत सारे रूल्स है, एक एक करके जब और हम लोग कॉम्पिटिटिव पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से वीडियो लेकर के आएंगे और गहराई में जाएंगे, वैसी बात नहीं है, मैं कोशिश करूंगा तो और भी डिटेल्स में से बनाने का प्रयास करूंगा. लेकिन अभी फ़िलहाल मैं समझता हूं कि जो भी मैंने आपको देने का प्रयास कर रहा हूँ इस वीडियो के माध्यम से, आप समझने का भरपूर कोशिश करेंगे और बड़ा ही आसान होगा जब आप समझने का प्रयास करेंगे. तो ठीक है, आज इस वीडियो के यहाँ तक समाप्त करते हैं. लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.